Hi, my name is Dr. Pavan Soni. I'm an innovation evangelist, and through this series called Demystifying Design Thinking, I would try to address some of the commonly asked questions around design thinking and offer simple explanations. Now, another question which has been asked to me is that how is design thinking different from traditional models of thinking? Well, there are two major differences between our traditional ways of thinking and design thinking. The first is overt amount of emphasis that design thinking gives on understanding the problem. In our classic ways of thinking, we don't apply so much of a time and attention in understanding the problem. We quickly jump to solving it. And we spend so much of a time in debating the best solution, whereas we do not really care to understand that have we understood the problem fully. And as a result, we keep attacking the symptom just to see it getting manifested in uglier ways. So, a classic departure from a traditional way of thinking is that design thinking focuses a tremendous lot in understanding the real problem from the perspective of the protagonist, the customer or the human being in question. That's the first major distinction. And the second aspect is that the tools and methods of design thinking really brings a lot of visual aspect to problem solving. Mind map, clay modeling, paper prototyping, sketches, journey maps, post-its, all of these art and craft material bring in a lot of visual dimension to thinking. And as you visualize your thinking, you think more clearly. Another name of design thinking is visual thinking. Imagine if you are brainstorming. In a classic thinking, you would speak your idea, whereas in design thinking, we say that you draw your idea. And when you're trying to sketch out your idea, you not only get a lot of clarity yourself about your idea, but you also communicate with a lot more clarity with others, and people can collaborate and contribute to the evolution of ideas. So visualization of thinking and spending a lot of time to empathize and discover the problem is what design thinking offers to the classic ways of problem solving. And if I may add the third one, it would be around the element of prototyping and testing. In our classic ways of thinking, we do not put our ideas through a rigorous test. We use a lot of intuition and gut feel to pick up the ideas from the bouquet that we have. But in design thinking, we emphasize that each and every idea should be given a lot of gestation period for it to flourish. And once you have reached a certain size of an idea, you run those hypotheses and tests and see to yourself which of the ideas make sense. So I hope this explanation was useful to you. If you have any other query for me, feel free to leave your comments on the comment section below. We'll be very happy to address that. Thank you so much.